Hello everyone, our project name is Blood Bank Management System and we are from Visit third year and our group members are Muskan Shaikh, Sanjana Ahuja and Tarun Chhabriya. As we all know, blood is one of the most valuable resources to humanity nowadays because of constant accidents and different patients requiring different blood groups for some disease or due to some accident. Therefore, it has become very crucial for blood banks to maintain the information of their donors, their receivers, and different blood groups. So, in a web-based application that is designed to store, process, retrieve, and analyze information, our project aims to maintain all the information pertaining to blood donors, different blood groups available in each blood bank. The project aim is to provide transparency in this field by obtaining blood from blood banks hassle-free and corruption-free. So the reason of our project is to eliminate the lacunas in the existing systems or some flaws that the existing system possess. So as we all know, most of the systems that exist now are paper based and it requires much more manpower to maintain and store the data. It is time consuming and there is no security around the data. The retrieval of data takes lot of time and the percentage of accuracy is very less. And our project aims to eliminate all of that by making a web-based application out of it so that the database is safe and secure and it requires less manpower. The problem definition of a system is to aim to collect blood from many donors from various sources and distribute that blood to needy people. It uploads the latest updates, allow the user to see the alerts by clicking the URL. To provide high security with different level of authentication is our main goal. So to develop a project, we have applied the methodology of agile development. In agile development, team can manage a project by breaking it up into several stages and repeating those stages until the satisfactory result is obtained. In the agile methodology, client describing describes the end product will which will be used and what problem is solved. Once the work begins, the team cycles through a process of planning, executing, and evaluating the result until the satisfactory state of product is reached. So the hardware and software that we use are listed here. As we can see, the hardware is very basic and can be available and found in most of the modern systems. The processor is Intel Core or dual core 2 gigahertz processor. Hard disk space is 40 GB or more. RAM required is 4 GB or more. The software we use various web technologies like PHP, JavaScript, and jQuery. And to maintain the database, we use MySQL, which is one of the largest database maintaining technologies from around the world. So to explain our project in a simple manner, we have developed a DFD level 0 and level 1 diagram. In this slide, we have shown a level 0 DFD diagram. As we can see, in the middle, blood bank module is there, and blood donor and blood seekers, two of the main entities of our project, are either donating blood and receiving services. The blood donor donates blood and gives all of the information about his health, blood group, and his past history of any diseases that he had or something like that is stored in the blood bag, and the blood seeker requests blood according to the requirement, and blood bank gives blood seeker the service. Now here is the DFD level 1 diagram, and it is complex when compared to the level 0 diagram. As we can see, three three entities that are Common in the level 0 and level 1 diagram are blood bank, donor, and blood seeker. The blood donor again gives his information to blood bank and donates blood. The blood seeker receives blood and again his data is stored in the blood bank. The donor can register with the blood bank through the registration module, and blood seeker can search for the blood he requires from the search module. And all of this combines into the registration. The life-saving contacts and mobile paging services are used for receiving information services. So in conclusion, the database marketing project analyzed that the existing donor database and identified areas of improvement to increase the donations, and our project segmented the donors as high value and high potential based on the recency, frequency, and monetary value of the donation. All right, so this is the web application that we have developed for our blood bank management system. And as we scroll down, this is the landing page of our website. And here we can see there are various elements like the need for blood tips, who you could help. And as we move down, we have displayed some of our donors registered with our site. And as we go to the bottom, we have some blood group general knowledge. So now as we move on to the about section, here in this section we explain the goal of our website and what our website is actually is. And it's just a basic about a section. In this we try to convince our users on why they should donate blood. Section is become a donor, where the donor can register with our website and his database will be saved. So this is a form where he have to submit various details like full name, mobile number, email ID, and blood group, so that the admin can contact him whenever there is a blood bank near his area, or if there is a specific blood he want, and he can contact us. Next is the search blood section, where the blood receivers can search for the particular blood. For example, here is a O positive blood type we have entered, and as you can see, the various donor who have the O positive blood type, or rather the O type, have been shown. Next is the contact us section, where the user can just simply fill out a form to contact the admin, and there is also the contact details of the admin. So in this, we just have to type a full name, phone number, email address, and message for the admin. So talking about the admin, there is also a admin section for our website. So here is the first login for the admin, and that comes up is the dashboard for the admin. So here we have the listed blood group section, registered blood group section, total queries, and as we go into the listed blood group section, we have the manage blood group page. Here the admin can delete the blood groups and add the blood groups. And the next, when we go back to the dashboard, the next section is registered blood group, which basically displays the registered blood donors and their informations, and so that the admin can contact them at any time with their mobile number or email address. And then the next section is total queries. Here all the contact us queries are stored, and if needed, the admin can contact the one who contacted, or place the contact query. This is how we are going to manage and keep the records of all the donors, and try to minimize the effort put in by the blood banks to store and manage the informations of their blood groups and blood donors. Thank you.